So this is the new concept where in examination we can expect questions based on the ratio of speeds or time. Okay, we all know that speed is equals to distance by time. Okay, speed is distance by time, and also remember that speed is always directly proportional to the distance. Okay, and speed is inversely proportional to the time. Okay, always remember this. Okay, if there are two speeds s1 plus s2, then t1 and t2 can be found out, and there are time given t1 and t2, then we can find out the speed ratios also. Okay, if we go into the question we can understand this concept. So two trains cross a man standing on a platform in 20 seconds and 8 seconds respectively. Okay, they cross each other in 16 seconds. Okay, so how do we solve this? To find the ratio of the speeds. Okay, these are the times, time 1 and time 2. So we need to find out the speed 1 and speed 2, the ratio of the speeds of the train 1 and train 2. How do we do this? Okay, this is a trick, please remember. So this will be starting from here. 20 minus 16. What is 20 minus 16? Is 4. Okay, and here 16 minus 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. Okay, these are the ratios here. So 8 for 1s are 4. So speed ratio is 2 is to 1.